SUNE stock analysis and SUNE stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. As I'm looking at Sunation Energy, it is 36% up, which is very beautiful performance. Still not yet in a bullish range though, so I'm going to get into it in a second, but I've made more videos than anyone else in the space, with more proof than anyone else as well, documented with 39,000 videos. I had some other previously such sick receipts that I've also covered in my Discord, by the way. This is how my chart's looking like. Now, there's a reason why I have that link on the chart. It's just a previous demonstration. So I was willing to take things down from 47 cents down to like 116. And not only did this deliver, now we're in this range, which is a similar thing. If there is a double break, you bet I'm going to look to take things down. And if there is no double break, then why the heck would I force? I will simply not. So I will continue to keep you updated. This is not financial advice. And yeah, let me know what is your opinion on this. But what I'm not going to do is start forcing trades. It's a no man's land, therefore waiting is going to be the answer, at least for me. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.